So paying on Amazon using Apple Pay is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to show you how to pay on Amazon using your Apple Pay. So for that we will go to the Amazon application, which is Amazon Shopping. Now you have to go to this icon, which will take you to your profile, and in your profile you have to tap here your account option. You just have to tap on that option, and now it will take you to the account options. Now you have to scroll down, and here you'll see under payments section, you have to tap on this your payments button. It will take you to this page. Now you have to tap on add, and now you have to tap on add a credit card or debit card, and now it will take you to this page. Now what you have to do is you have to add your Apple Pay's card number, all of the details of your Apple Pay, and after that you have to tap on add and continue. Then after doing that, you will be able to pay using your Apple Pay in Amazon. So that's how you do it. Hope you guys found this video helpful.